In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini for document creation. By the end, you'll know how to start a fresh conversation with Gemini, give it clear instructions, attach reference materials, and submit your request to generate a polished draft. First, open your browser and go to the Gemini app. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account and allow the page to load fully. You'll land on a clean workspace designed for quick prompts as well as more detailed requests. Think of this as your creative hub where you can spin up anything from blog posts and reports to emails and proposals. Next, start a new chat. Beginning a new chat ensures your document request is handled in a fresh context without leftover details from previous conversations. This helps Gemini focus on the exact document you need today. Now click in the Ask Gemini field and type your prompt. Be as specific as possible about the document you want. State the document type, the audience, the tone, and the length. You can also include structure guidance like asking for a headline, an introduction, a few sections, and a short conclusion. The clearer your direction, the more accurate and useful the first draft will be. If you already have key points, data, or a thesis statement, include them in your prompt so the model can weave them in naturally. If you have supporting materials, add a file here. This could be a brief, an outline, a previous draft, a data sheet, or a PDF with source content. Attaching a file gives Gemini concrete context to reference, improving accuracy and helping it mirror your voice or organizational style. Before uploading, double-check that the file doesn't contain sensitive information and that the content you want included is easy to identify. You can even tell Gemini where to focus, such as a particular section or set of bullet points in your document. When your prompt and files are ready, click Submit or press Enter. Gemini will start generating your document based on the instructions and materials you provided. Give it a moment to process. Once the draft appears, read through it with your goals in mind and continue the same chat to request revisions, changes in tone, or added sections. Because you started this in a new chat, the conversation stays organized around this single document, making it simple to refine until it's right. That's it. Open the app, start a new chat, craft a clear prompt, attach relevant files, and submit. You'll have a strong first draft ready to review and polish in minutes.